All right, guys, another easy level question from CAT 2023, the second slot. Very simple question. You can give it a try and then you can resume the video for the solution. All right, guys, the situation has been explained very clearly in this diagram here. It says Ravi is driving at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour on road. So this is where Ravi is traveling at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour towards the right hand side. Vijay is 54 meters behind Ravi and driving in the same direction as Ravi. So Vijay is 54 meters away from Ravi and traveling in the same direction towards the right, basically. Ashok is driving along the same road from the opposite direction at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and is 225 meters away from Ravi. So Ashok is 225 meters away from Ravi and is traveling in the opposite direction, means he's traveling towards the left hand side. The speed in kilometers per hour at which Vijay should drive so that all the three cross each other at the same time is. So Vijay and Ravi should meet at the same time in which Ashok and Ravi are meeting. So what should be the speed of Vijay for this to happen? So let the speed of Vijay be equal to x kilometers per hour. Let's completely focus on Vijay and Ravi only. Since Vijay and Ravi are traveling in the same direction, Vijay and Ravi should cross each other. For that to happen, Vijay should obviously be faster than Ravi. So it is understood, it is implicit in the question, guys, that x is more than 40 kilometers per hour, x is greater than 40. So only then Vijay would be able to cross Ravi, right? Now, if they're going in the same direction, we use the concept of relative speed. We put the slower object at rest. Only the faster object will travel the distance between them at their relative speed. So time taken will be nothing but the distance upon the relative speed. Distance between Vijay and Ravi is 54 meters and the relative speed is the difference of the speeds, which is x minus 40 kilometers per hour. So after how much time will Vijay cross Ravi? The distance 54 upon the relative speed x minus 40, and that's about the time taken for Vijay and Ravi to meet. Similarly, Ravi and Ashok are traveling in the opposite direction. The distance between them is 225. Putting Ravi at rest, the distance of 225 meters will be chased at the relative speed by the faster person, that is Ashok, and the relative speed here is 50 plus 40. When two objects travel in the opposite direction, the relative speed is the sum of their individual speeds. So distance is 225 meters, the relative speed is 50 plus 40, and that's the time taken for Ravi and Ashok to meet. But all three are meeting at the same time, crossing at the same time. That means time taken by Vijay and Ravi to meet, which is basically this particular time, should be same as the time taken by Ravi and Ashok to meet, which is this time. That means these two values should be essentially equal. Now we equate the two and we solve for the unknown x to get our answer. So let's solve this now. 54 upon x minus 40 shall be 225 upon 90. Cancelling out 45 or 1 below, this will be 5, this will be 2. So cross multiplying, we will have x minus 40 will be 54 into 2 divided by 5. Again, you can multiply above and below by 2. So the right hand side becomes 54 into 4. 216 divided by 5 2s are 10. 216 upon 10 is 21.6. If x minus 40 is 21.6, x will be 21.6 plus 40. That will be 61.6. So the value of x is 61.6 kilometers per hour. So Vijay's speed should be 61.6 kilometers per hour. That's the answer to your question. Now you may wonder why I did not convert the speed into meter per second, although the distance had been given in meters. The whole idea is the conversion factor will get cancelled out from both sides. I mean, I'll have to convert this speed into meters per second, this speed also into meters per second. I will need to multiply by some constant on both sides, right? Which will eventually get cancelled out, so it makes no difference. Hence, you can directly take the speeds in kilometers per hour. The answer you will opt in will also be in kilometers per hour. That's the answer to your question, 61.6, option D.